This is where we can come to creating the order manually. This window here alerts you to the fact that there is already underfilled order data. Previously. I've been to this page before. I entered some data into the form. It's saved as a draft. If I click on No, then we have that draft. This will clear. If I click Yes, we'll have the data pulled into the form, and it's automatically filled in. And this is where we fill in a few steps the main information, the order number. Here we can also note what type of inspection the drivers. It is mandatory to pass a high level. That is, to the max. Minimum, e.g. 15 photos, take a picture, fill in specific fields, and pass the pickup. Low-level inspection. A minimum of 6 photographs are mandatory, must be photographed on the pickup truck at without inspection or without inspection. But it's mandatory to attach a scanned copy of the delivery note. Here we assign the dispatcher to the driver. We can prescribe instructions for the dispatcher, for the driver. Next step. We're filling in the information about where we need to come and pick up the shipment. Name of company address. We can by zip code to enter a specific zip code, select from a list, and we can have those fields automatically populate. We can also, if we have a company that we're working with now, we already has been stored in our contact database, we can search to find that company, select it. And these are all the fields that are down by company. They're automatically fill in the contact information, addresses, emails, etc. Fill in, specify. Scheduling a date when we need to pick up the shipment. Time if necessary. Also, if we know with the company, we often know its work schedule for the driver. We can additionally note work schedule, and the driver will be notified accordingly of the imminent closure of the opening. Delivery point has the same data to fill in. Similarly, we can automatically pull from our database of contacts, vehicle information. We can fill in manually here connected directories for a quick. We can also enter a specific VIN number, and it will parse and autofill. Fields by car brand, model year, and type. And if we have this VIN number already present in other orders, we have a system actually for the dispatcher will highlight that information. In case the dispatcher makes a mistake, we can add an unlimited number of vehicles, we can delete them. If you need to fill in information on payment, we'll tell you how much we owe as a carrier money for the order. Next, we'll fill in the block. How much do we need on pickup, either on delivery in cash or by check? Should be paid by the customer. Let's say it's going to be cash pickup and the system automatically calculated. How much of that balance the broker owes us from the dispatcher? It is only necessary to fill with some payment, how many days and after what event, the pickup making the loading delivery. Either when we have sent the invoice, we can leave payment comments as well. And the last step is our customer information. It can match the delivery point, so we'll mark it through the box. We're using the information from this third step. And we don't need to fill in any additional information. On the right, we have the interfaces displayed attachments. If you need to add files, attach immediately at creation. We can also specify costs if they have already appeared when creating the order. There is a directory of our typical costs, and we can also add bonuses. I'm going to right now creating an order, I won't.